Bless the Lord, O my soul, and all that is within me. Bless his holy name.
Chinwe was the stabilizing factor in this house. With Chinwe gone, this house will collapse in 2 days.
But they are all I have left.
Quite frankly, we'd rather be with our father than with anybody else.
He's my father too.
And mine too.
Tayo is my child, you are not her mother, and you will never be.
What will you say to Amara when she starts seeing her period?
Hey, it's okay, it's enough! Ouch!
I won't stand here and listen to you say rubbish to me because of your dumb modeling job.
Well, at least it's not as dumb as that stupid job you go to every morning and come back at night.
Rain. It's rain in your face.
Where's my 30,000?
I've spent it.